Hey there, quick review on this KingTool's 325-piece toolkit. This kit is really designed for your basic homeowner scenario in mind, someone who just needs to have a kit with basic tools that you can grab something if you need it, but then you can tuck it away and it's all very organized and kept together. So this covers all of your basics for just standard stuff that you might need around the home. It's going to be great for an apartment, dorm room, something you just keep at home to grab occasionally. As you see here, it does come in a very nice case that latches together, easy to carry around, easy to tuck away in the closet whenever you don't need it. But we've got all our basics here. As you can see, screwdrivers, different pliers, needle nose pliers, even electrical pliers, tape measure, flashlight, Allen wrenches, utility knife blade, extra utility knife blades over here, adjustable wrenches, hammer, socket wrench with your basic sizes over here, and then miscellaneous bits that you can use in your driver, which would be right here. So this guy, you're going to be able to use all of these different bits. So it's really got you covered for all of the basic stuff you're going to run into just needing to tweak something around the house. We've also got another tier down here with a drawer that you can pull out. It's got some miscellaneous drywall anchors, nails if you need to hang pictures and stuff like that. Some more screws and nails over here, electrical tape, zip ties, sandpaper, scissors, pencil, and drill bits. So it's a basic kit. It's going to cover, just those standard scenarios that you might encounter around the house. This kit would also be an excellent gift idea if you've got somebody who's going to be moving out on their own for the first time, getting an apartment, going off to college. This would really cover all the basics and be ideal for that kind of scenario. But all around, nice value. Lots of different stuff to cover all the bases that you might need.